Hello and welcome, أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا in this new episode of Learn Colloquial Arabic with Dina. In this series, learn the most essential 1000 words in Colloquial Arabic. Today, in this episode, we will be learning numbers 21 to 100. In order to learn the numbers up to 100, it is very important to learn the numbers in tens. This will ease the learning and you will be surprised how fast you will learn it. You need to watch the previous episode explaining tens. Let's first revise numbers in tens. Numbers in tens starting from 20. 20 20 20 30 30 30 40 40 40 50 50 50 60 60 60 70 70 70 80 80 80 90 90 90 100 100 100. Let's now learn to have a number with combination of ones and tens, such as 21, 34, 58, etc. It is very easy to do so if you have learned numbers 1 to 100 and numbers in tens. If you haven't learned it yet, please watch these two previous episodes. Numbers 1 to 10 and numbers 20 to 100 in tens. It is important to learn numbers 1 to tens to form the ones, and it is important to learn numbers 20 to 100 in tens to form the tens part. How to form combination of ones and tens in Arabic? You need to consider the following points. In English, we start naming the tens, then the ones. Example, 21. While in Arabic, we start naming the ones, then the tens. Example, واحد means one, or 20 means 20. That makes 21. In Arabic, we add and between the ones and the tens. For example, واحد و20. واحد is once, و is and, 20 is the tense. U means and in colloquial Arabic. Let's revise the ones and the tens. Combining them together with U makes the number. Once. واحد 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Add U, which means and, then add the tens. 20 20 30 30 40 40 50 50 60 60 70 70 80 80 90. combine them together. That makes the number combination. We start with ones, u, followed by the tens. Let's practice. Let's practice combination with 20s. 21 21 22 22 23 23 24 24 25 25 26 26 27 27 28 28 29 29. Here we come to 30 30. Let's practice 30s combination. 31 31 32 32 33 33 34 34 35 35 36 36 37 37 38 38 39 39. Here we come to the 40. Let's practice combination with 40s. 41 41 42 42 43 43 44 44 45 45 46 46 47 47 48 48 49 49. Here we come to the 50. Let's practice combination with 50s. 51 51 52 52 53 53 54 54 55 55 56 56 57 57 58 58 59 59. Here we come to 60. Let's practice combination with 60s. 61 61 62 62 62 63 63 64 64 65 65 66 66 67 67 68 68 68 69 69. Here we come to 70. Let's practice combination with 70s. 71 71 72 72 72 73 73 74 74 75 75 76 76 77 77 78 78 79 79. Here we come to 80. Let's practice combination with 80s. 81 81 82 82 83 83 83 84 84 85 85 86 86 87 87 88 88 89 89. Here we come to 90. Let's practice combination with 90s. 91 91 92 92 93 93 94 94 95 95 96 96 97 97 97 98 98 99 99. Good job. Last number is 100, and that is 100. 100. Well done. Let's check if you know this number in Arabic. 48. Well done. 48. So remember, you say the ones before the tens. Let's check another number. 72. Excellent. 72. 2 is the ones, 70 is the tens. And we start with 72. Let's have one more. 59. Well done. 59. 59. 9 is the ones and 50 is the tens. We start with the ones followed by U and then the tens. Let's have one more last one. 34. Bravo. 34. 34. 4 is the ones. U means and. 30 is the tens. Well done. Excellent. It's easy if you have learned the ones and the tens. Shukran for watching. See you in the next lesson with new 10 words of 1000 most common and essential words and phrases in Colloquial Arabic. Learn Colloquial Arabic with Dina, and remember, practice, practice, and practice.